everyone. It is Thursday. I am so glad that I got to see you yesterday at our live morning meeting, or most of you, I should say. We will have a live morning meeting every Wednesday at 10 a.m. So if you didn't make it yesterday, put it on your calendar for next Wednesday at 10 a.m. I hope to see you all there. Other announcements that we have, please make sure you click turn in the upper right hand, right hand for you guys, on things like our math hyperdoc. So every day, even if you don't type any questions to Miss Armstrong on your math hyperdoc, make sure you click turn in. It's a gray button. That way I know that you went in and did your math. Since you can't turn in your paper or your worksheet, make sure you click turn in on the hyperdoc so I know you did your lesson. Tomorrow, at the end of the day, I'm going to send your parents an email with a list of things that you might have accidentally forgotten to click turn in on, because it takes practice to remember to turn them in, and we didn't click that button a lot when we were in the classroom normally. So make sure your parents check your work before you turn it in to make sure you got everything done and did all of the steps. Our joke of the day is brought to us by this pack of cards that I bought, and I am just gonna shuffle them right up, and we're just gonna pick one, even if it stinks. What do you call a sleeping dinosaur? A dino snore. I love a good pun. If you hated that joke, scroll to the bottom of our Google Classroom, and I put a joke website up. You can look up some jokes to use for our morning meeting and send me a video, and then you could tell jokes instead of me. Otherwise, look what you're going to make me do. Our word of the day today is thorough, which is actually a really good word now that I think about it. It goes with some of today's announcements. So you have to be thorough when you're checking to make sure you turned everything in on Google Classroom. Or you might say, we made a thorough search of the house and still never found the missing car keys. So today, I want you to do a thorough search of Google Classroom. Make sure you turned everything in so far this week. Today's challenge is to see how long you can hold your breath. We're going to be counting in seconds. Make sure you have a clock or a timer nearby. Or when you're counting, make sure you count 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. No cheating. No like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. No cheating. You got to make sure you're counting seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. See how long you can hold your breath. I'm going to use the clock that's on my computer, and I'm going to time it. Let's see how far I can get. Okay, I only got 19 seconds. I think I could get farther, but it's kind of boring to watch. Tell me how far you get. How long can you hold your breath? I'll see you all tomorrow.